If you want to know the latest about woman business, join Lucy Manet Ali every Thursday after the 8 p.m. news bulletin and Saturday after the 6:30 news summary. City Woman Talk with Lucy Manet Ali.
Fambulu unakusha and welcome to another edition of City Woman Talk. We're issuing from the studio na Radio Mount Oriel on FM 107.3 in Afobe College campus. Remember, this program the mituna in collaboration with Orange Sierra Leone. And me will bring the program cantona, Mina Lucy Manet Aliu. As part for make women then get active participation inside politics, the 50-50 group Sierra Leone, in collaboration with European Union and Search for Common Ground, don't hold one-day workshop for political party them for make sure say they create the enabling environment so that women then go participate for politics na the country. Well, my colleague Lahai Jackson been get more of this as he been get engagement with the necessary people them inside this interview.
According to statistics, women them form over 50% of Salone population, but plenty people believe say this percentage not dey reflect among women them we come for make them go all big position them na the country. This make 50-50 na Salone in collaboration with European Union and Search for Common Ground. Not all one-day workshop for register political party them na the country. After the workshop, I be engage Aja Mariama Fofana, former president, and also evaluation and monetary officer for 50-50. It be start for get the background of the project.
After the 2018 elections, 50-50 been do a gender audit for find out why is it women's political participation they drop. Because in 2012 it was 16%. This time year, so after 2018, the political participation of women in parliament, the number of women that will win seats out of 146, there are only 17 women able to get seats for Ghana parliament, which is about 12 point something percent. So very negligible. We feel to say this only help with democratic process. You know, they help for push development forward in the country. This year we don't do it for half a century now. We don't put women there in the backbone. Women they know they take position there. And women form about 51% of the population. It means that the concerns and needs of women are left out. Now men they no more they talk for women there. And you know, I think to see for governance, for be democratic and for take in the interest of every sector of the society. You forget the young people them, you forget women, you forget the aged, you forget people with disabilities them, all sectors them. But with political system, the way they operate, now so man them. All the other sectors they left out. And more we find out for say that old people they in leadership positions. So we want to change that one day. Let us see now, if we change this year, so get more women in politics, let us see how we development could move forward.
Now let me look at the areas they want to target and which district don't have for target with this particular and Tiwana don't start so.
Now we target 3 districts. Kenema gets only 1 female member of parliament. Cambia no gets any female member of parliament. Tonkolili gets 1. So you see female representation very minimal in the areas here so. They get few women there in our councillors. So we pick the 3 districts there so for work with them, for see how we go able for change the situation of women there, for may they get more women there. Because also say women they know they aspire. Then they aspire, the women they did it in Boku. And this project here, we they target 225 women, 75 from each district. So for we could train them. And now we could start early. We start now 2019. So till 2022, we hope say that Umayaso will build their confidence, we will make them visible at the community and the wards them and the constituencies them, and also get the political parties them for make them begin the change, for make them bring in women them more than political leadership position. Because even the structures themselves with the political parties they create, mostly now women's leader. When we go to the field, we ask, what are the structures they within political parties? People they say, oh, structures they women they can be women's leader, there can be cleaners there can be cooks. I say what? So these are the only positions there where the society self they perceive women, they say that their position they for hold. And political parties say that they shape the thinking of the general public because they take their cue. So if they see political parties, the only thing where they do man on a women's leader, then they say go cook, go dance at shopping. That's all the society self again will feel say that they woman they for them. They no go put the women in leadership positions.
Now, somebody will listen, they will say this particular and advocacy will not they make as an institution, don't they back from, let me say, from time immemorial. But yet still we see, just like I don't get the statistics of women when they now governance very low. We don't see what you feel to see that the challenges were responsible for them kind of low number that so they get from women them in terms of participating in national politics.
One thing was difficult for change are people then culture, then perception, because the way the politics they like say them and we. They put women them the culture, the way they don't bring we up for say women they not for day in decision making positions. Say. So for begin for change that thinking day, it takes some time. Now make you find out for say it's difficult. And thank God we don't begin talk about it because in the past they don't really talk about it. We not be think to say woman there for day in leadership position, but now we don't begin talk about it. Although it don't take some time now since 50-50 day it exists for 20 years, but one day we were able to achieve the goal of getting equal representation of women and men in political decision-making positions.
During your presentation, we make mention of challenges them women can face in terms of for them for participating in national politics. What are some of them challenges and they maybe they highlight?
First of all, women they not get money. You know, politics is very expensive. Yeah, when you have for stand for elective office, for making even people that know you now in constituency, for get money, for get things that we don't do in the community. For run you campaign, you need money. For talk to the people, for mobilize voters them, you need money. And women then are the poorest of the poor because women they lack time. The most valuable resource they don't get on time. They are so busy taking care of other people, household chores, making a living for take care of picking, take care of the home, take care of so many other things that unlike the man, we get chance for go fair money, improving education, making able get money and do other things the women they don't get one day. Because they spend maybe about 16 hours just doing household chores and maybe now they do small petty trading. We just do for help for supplement the family income, and what you find out several good at the field. Many women in the tell we say now they are the breadwinners them. Like how the world, the economy don't bad. Man there can begin to go backwards. They're not able to hit. So now the woman they get for step in to the shoes of the men there and take over for care for the family.
Intimidation are one of the things where people can be raised. How do they affect women in terms of participation in politics?
That is very serious. The woman they that's big they left. The political party leaders said that the districts they tell we see women they can't stand the heat. They're not able to defend. So me not see why politics really for be about for hinge on violence, not to fight. It will be a discussion. Make people that talk about issues there. But when we don't see we on politics now, it don't come down to the level where that violence. So that he both strong, now go win. If we're able for frighten other people there for ask for their own share of the for take part in politics. They go for the one way strong now they rebate. The one we not able to affect they in the back off. That's how long they happen now in country. So that they give for change. And also we notice say, like what you want to say, some of them for win influence for their political party, then they go and get intimate relationship with the women then. That's not fine. Why for gain influence? You see, it's also another form of sexual violence on women then. Why therefore we begin use women their body for gain influence on their party then? So all that one day, it show the thinking. So we got to change the people that thinking about women. And one leader, I think Mandela, he said if you want to know the status of a country, look outside the women they dey. You go know that country dey na progressive country or na country wey downtrodden. And so long as the women are downtrodden, it means that people in Sierra Leone are downtrodden because we form majority of the population. And we status in low. All the indicators them, when you take Human Development Index, we are about 170 something over 187. Gender inequality index value we are 0.662%. We get the highest maternal mortality rate in the world. We not get safe drinking water, so many other things with the among development. And I can tell you, when you put a woman in position, the woman will begin ask, they pick them, but they go for go long distance so forget water. Let's try think about giving them safe drinking water. Because when we ask the women, we see that the burning issues then are this in our district here. One of the things that we mentioned, potable water for drink. How many people have been thinking about that? Because the women them and the picking them, that they your responsibility that for bring water Canada. So these are all things that we get for look into, for so that with development, we will see real development. Development that we get changes in the lives of people them. Where people they get choices there, where people their life become better. That is what development is about. You know, until we get that one day, it's difficult for say we are developing. No.
If you gist they join the program, not forget say the listen to CTN's Inside Salon where they come out na Radio Mount 12 Frabe College on FM 107.3. And inside the program today, we dey look at the participation of women dem pan politics. And for sake of this, 50-50 na Salon in collaboration with European Union and Search for Common Ground don hold one-day workshop for political party dem. Now, I for Q from one of the statements where we say the women they make up of 51% of this population as Salon, but yet still we know they see more. You know, they gamble for this particular in 30% from all government we don't come and pass, but yet still unable to achieve that. One could say the women they within themselves if they come together and be able to take a leadership position at the country. What do you take on that?
Who that they dominate parliament? Who side they make their laws here so and change them? Now amend them. I don't tell you say out of 146 members of parliament, now 17 are women them. And now here that they make the laws them and changes them. So if you just get small percentage of people they will able to change the mindset of the others them. Who don't hear some man and they say, who that is sitting they can't take. Some man they within a parliament when they talk about this 30% quota for women, they say who that is sitting who can't take. So you see, even their self, who that you say the educated the elements they within a parliament, they self again a stumbling block. They not agree. So now make up forget a good number of women in decision making positions so that this could change. Until we do that one day, then Lord say all the advocates for a difficult job. Forget outside majority day, you say give me part of your power, give me part of what you did, what you get, let me self carry inside it, then they block you.
Now we look at the positive and negative aspects to be raised during a presentation. What are some of them positive and negative aspects of them?
One thing we don't see say where we don't form them groups here so women in politics. The women that they self tell me because where would they go? Would they ask them? How una see this year so the last time what they do na capacity development plan, una say una not united. How the situation now? That they say una thinking, una can set up them groups here so women in politics. Because these women in politics groups they would all set up like their districts here soon. It no matter which political party the woman belong to, so long as you are a woman and you aspire for go into parliament or local council or even for minister, whatever position you divide for that politics and public life, they all they come together. then they sit together now, they begin discuss. Because before this year, so from them groups here, so some of them will tell me, say, we don't talk to each other, say, because of politics. But now that they meet, then they talk. If they go get buried, that they go there, go tell her Osh for burying. If you get pulled that door, then they go.
You mean among the political parties?
Yes, the women of different political parties, they're really inside these women in politics. They don't begin, they start first from the welfare side, seeking out for each other's interest, which is then the basic part, this women's empowerment. They come up from the welfare position, then they begin go to control. Now, when we go to them, I will say, okay, una say una no get money. What una go do for this money also? For support una self. Where if anybody they run for office, then they say, oh, okay, what we go do now? Will they begin him money? So from last Saturday, I described for monitor them for find out if they hold the meeting. Then for the meet, then they begin contribute money and try for raise funds within themselves. They find projects the way they go do. So they tell we say faithfully, the money when they raise this basket fund, they go gear to any woman we get in party is simple, irrespective of political party. So we have to say that a big leap where these projects don't do for them. They don't find solution. Say now we go try for raise money. We go try for help what our women them. And Padema they are so we don't bring together. Some of them when they don't outline the challenges them, they say low levels of education. Some of them say, okay, so this is a barrier for me. 10 of them don't decide, say, then they go back for go improve their education, maybe they get more learning. So you see, this is a progress. And there's strides just so when they don't take, it's very good. And they don't begin plan for, say, we go hold rallies there, we go showcase other women there. And they don't get like a one district so inside the chair for the council, na woman. She's doing extremely well. And other districts, inside they say chairman of council, they say no, we're not talking about chairman again, we're not talking about chairperson. So you see, they again, they begin to insist, say, the language where the men that they use for being gender sensitive. That was only man can be chairman, but for being neutral, chairperson. Because women self get right for being chair.
What about the heads, them political parties, in terms of including women in their sensitive position, the executive? You will find out for say most of the political parties, especially the big one, the political party who feel to say they can get power. Now this country, as you find out for say the executive, them will check them. And let me say 80% of them are men. So what are they do towards that for make sure say they at least incorporate women them in the executive?
Now we go create this database of women in politics. We ask them, una give the women them who una feel to see, una go support come 2023. Una are the vibrant women in our party. They look at the list and they say again, they name some. But I go tell you, say, their heads they do. Me, I go to the field, I talk to them. One party, I know they call name, one party who ask they say, una go include women in our electoral college. Now I laugh, I say, ha 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 ha. I say, what? It just show, say, if you to say it's impossible, why should women? Why for put women in our electoral college? You see, so even the political parties accept their own perception. As you say, majority of the one day where you know to say go able to succeed. That is their attitude. Why we forgive women them space? Why we forgive women them at the upper hierarchy of parties them? So we can for work on them one day. For change their new perception about women then.
Now, what will be the way forward in terms of, let me say, this 50% way and 50-50 they advocate for, come 2023, then we're able to achieve them at the end of the day?
Government self for be serious for say, we want this country for go before and we for bring women and come. Lots of things are deep and the constitution we for change. Then other countries them, all man now they talk about Rwanda. All man they talk about the Scandinavian countries them, how they develop, they make rapid progress. What did they do? They do something that they call positive discrimination or affirmative action. Government for enacts that. If it be law, if it become law of the land for say 30% of any elective position, now women therefore hold them. Just like what they do with the Local Government Act. Local Government Act, that the ward committees they say at least 50% of the ward committee members should be women. What if in their ward committee members they don't only pay them, they don't hold much position. So it's almost, although not a good idea, but the practicalities of it is difficult. And the women themselves again until we see, therefore look into constitutional matters. Therefore look also into local government. Because the councillors, people who are councillors, they are not paid salaries. So, so easy, except you get your own means of livelihood, or make you able for progress in politics. So these are all constraints for the political dispensation of the country. So we have to look at the constitution, we look at the political parties there, we look at the elections management bodies there, how they do, we try for helping the women them and women's groups them, the society, the press as well. Because the press also gets a very important role for play. They're woman there. You also say forget airtime, you get for pay money. If you don't get money for pay, the man they able to forget airtime. Now then they talk to. Now then they showcase. Now then they make them visible at the community. The woman then tell me, they say we don't get money for pay for airtime, for discuss issues there where they affect we. So all the thing and every person, every individual in the country can for make conscious effort for make this country.
Well, family now so sitting on my talk go left for today. I want to say plenty thank you to my colleague Lahai Jackson who helped me for put the program together. Me will bring the program canto me na Lucy Imanet Aliu in partnership with Orange Sierra Leone. So see next week, tata.
If you want to know the latest about woman business, join Lucy Imanet Aliu every Thursday after the 8 p.m. news bulletin and Saturday after the 6:30 news summary. City Woman Talk with Lucy Imanet Aliu.